Okay, hello everyone. It is February 6th, I think, 2010, and here in Pennsylvania, I'm Chuchi, by the way. Chuchi! It is, like, snowing-ish. A lot, because Pennsylvania doesn't snow that much. So, yeah, for Friday stuff. Hi, Melody. So, it snowed like 2 feet last night, and it's supposed to snow all day today, and I think partly until tomorrow, so we're supposed to get a good amount of snow. But this is the first one in 2 years that I've seen more than a foot of snow in Pennsylvania. So yeah, I'm going to show you. I'm not going to go outside and sled with the camera because I'll probably drop it, and yeah. Alright, well, that is our thing. Yep, the snow is piled up down here. It's still snowing right now. Satellite dish. I wonder if TV works. So, you know. Part of the window is covered here with snow. Yeah, that much wind last night. Now let's check out the front. Yep, that's the front. That's our car. I couldn't even open the door this morning.